Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Peach theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. So click on that and you need to update your Messenger application by clicking on this update. So once you done that, you need to go back and you need to log in into your Messenger account. Then you simply need to open Messenger and click on the person name. So once you click on that, you simply need to click on person name here and click on theme. And then you simply need to scroll down and select this one, that is Peach. Select that and now you can see that Peach theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.